What's up, guys? You know how I do it. I'm gonna jump straight right into it. This is just the average guy. In this video, I'm gonna show you a little bit about Robinhood and how to use it and how to understand it. So this year, Robinhood has just now came onto the web. At first, it was only an app-only broker. You know, it's a startup company, just started up a couple years ago. And now they're expanding, they're doing some better services, and now they're on the web. So I'm gonna go through it real quick and show you what they're doing to try to improve your experience trading stocks. So in the beginning, after you log in, you will see it will go ahead and show you what you are currently holding in your positions. Right here, Robinhood is showing you what your current positions are doing. Down here, you can see it's by day, by week, by month, and by year, and then all time, the whole time you have had an account with Robinhood. Now you can see these charts are very basic. You know, they're not anything that you should be using to actively predict how the stock is going to move. But you know, what can you say? This is no commission trading, so I would definitely trade that up to have the opportunity to be able to do this. Thank you, Robinhood. Over here, if you look, it shows stocks. And these are the stocks that you currently own. It'll tell you the stock by name, how many shares, and what currently those shares are going for. It'll display in green and red. Green saying that it's green for the day, red saying it's red for the day, that's actually going under the price that it started off from the beginning of the day. Right here is your watch list. Now these are stocks that you are currently want to keep a monitor on, and they keep it here in a nice little list for you. And you can add and remove stocks as you want. So say we go to the first one here, JD. Click on it and it says remove from watch list, or you can add to watch list. Just like that. Now while we're looking at it, this is how Robinhood shows you the stock when you click on it. It actually gives you a certain rating, an analyst rating of what analysts that they use are saying about the stock. So this JD.com stock currently has a 77% analyst agreement that it is a buy. Now this is very opinionated, so use this at your discretion. This right here tells you currently how many people on Robinhood owns this stock, which could be somewhat helpful. Then say if you want to go and buy the stock, you put in how many you want. So say 100. It tells you the estimated cost, tells you the current market price. It'll go up and down as the market price goes up and down, like it did. It went back and forth real quick. Tell you review. Now if you don't have enough buying power, it'll tell you deposit more money. So let's go to a stock real quick that we can buy. So if you want to search for stocks real quick, go click on search, type in a stock by its ticker name or by typing in some of its letters, and it'll automatically choose some of the ticker name for you. So say if you couldn't remember the ticker name, you can just type in Amazon. It'll automatically give you the ticker symbol for you. So go to Acre. So alright, taking a look at AKER, you can buy or sell the stock. You can sell the stock when you have possession of it. So say we sell a stock, sell one, say good for the day, expiration. It'll tell you the estimated amount of money that you'll get back for selling the stock. You click review, submit sell, and then bang, it says orders placed, tells you estimated cost, you click done. If you want to go to buy AKER, click that. It tells you what the current market price is, tell how many shares, tells you the estimated cost. Now when doing a limit order, you set which price that you want to buy it at. So say I want to wait until it gets to a certain price, so I want to wait until it gets to 35 cents. I click review, and I can click place, and it'll set that, and it'll set a buy order for me, so as soon as the stock touches 35 cents, it will automatically place it for me. Now, Robinhood used to be a little slippery with this. Their execution used to be a little off. I'm not too sure what it currently, but this is a good way to protect your money and to limit unexpected price changes. Scroll down. It gives you more of the history of your stock, how much you got into the stock, what it cost you to buy those amount of shares of those stocks, your total return on those stock, your total return on your investment of that stock, today's return on your investment on that stock, your amount of shares, and your average cost. So meaning if you bought shares at one point in time, then you bought shares at a different price at another point in time, it will give you the average of those two costs. Then also gives you about that certain stock, a little bit of quick information, nothing too serious. It actually goes on to show their earnings, if they're beating or missing, and then it shows you your history of past what you did. And yep, just a little information, quick facts or quick little info real quick. It's designed to be a fast and easy platform, which is great. You can see they have a feature called Robinhood Gold. If you have $2,000 in your account and you want a little bit more leverage and be able to buy before the stocks open up, or to be able to buy after the stocks market has closed, Robinhood Gold will let you do that. Different account settings, how many day trades you have left. You know, that's important to know. You only have a certain amount of day trades per 7 days. 3 day trades per 7 days if you have under $25,000 in your account. But overall, Robinhood is not a bad platform at all. I would recommend using it, checking it out, explore it. You scroll down, you can see it gives you recent news about the top stocks for the day, what's going on. Some of it fake news, stuff like that. Robinhood likes to use a company called Seek Alpha, and that's pretty much a open market for people to write articles about specific companies and how they feel that a specific company is going to behave that day. But yep, thank you guys for checking out my video. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. I have quite a big experience with Robinhood. I use other brokers, but hey, this is a great way to start. Alright, you guys, it's just the average guy, and I'll see you in the next video.